going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking, and today we're making a cake. That's right, a cake. Over my time here on my YouTube channel, we have attempted to make cake after cake after cake, and I have failed miserably, and I know this. I'm fully aware of what my limitations sometimes are. But I had help the other day, and my mom showed me how to make a perfect cake. So, taking said knowledge that I've learned from wisdom and a Southern cook, we know this cake will potentially possibly be good if I execute it correctly and use what I was taught. But we are not making the cake we made the other day. I am making a Hershey Bar Cake. Yes. Taking the same logic I learned, but executing it with these ingredients. And we're using the blue bowl. It's been a while since the blue bowl's been in a video, so it wanted to come out. So we're going to start with our cake mix, our cake box. I'm using super moist triple chocolate fudge cake mix. Oh, and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So into my bowl, just like that. 1 pack of gelatin mix. The only Jello I had was this Jello cheesecake mix. Should be all right. Just like that. So then we're going to do 1 cup of milk. Oh, I know this isn't for fluid ounces, but we're gonna use it anyways. 1 cup of milk, and then we're gonna do a half a cup of vegetable oil. So half a cup of that, and we pour. I got some Daisy here, so some sour cream. We're gonna aim for a half a cup of sour cream. Try not to make a mess. And we're gonna do 4, not 3, 4 eggs. Now, in my mom's video, we cracked the eggs in a separate bowl to make sure we didn't get any eggs in our batter. I already know Axel is gunning to crack these eggs, so we're gonna give him the chance to do it. All right, we have our 4 eggs. I don't have the cool dual blender or mixer, whatever it is. You don't have one of these little spatulas? These things are great. To make sure everything's mixed in nicely. Middle at the bottom, it's good to go. Cake pan. I got 2 cake pans. Spray a little bit, spray a little bit, and then use my parchment paper. Now I don't have any of those cake strip things that my mom told me to use. All right. So there we go. Well, like 1, 2, 3. There. 1, 2, 3. Alright, then we're gonna take this and put them on a pan. And my oven's preheated at 350, so I'm gonna get these bad boys. So for the best frosting, we use this. But we're not using this. We're gonna slightly use this. So 1 stick of butter at room temperature, a teaspoon of vanilla. We measure with our hearts. 1/3 a cup of milk. And then 3 cups of powdered sugar. I'm pretty sure there might be a cup in here. I don't know. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna need Hershey bars, fresh head Hershey Bar Cake. And it might not be bad to have some chopped up Hershey bars pieces in our frosting. With that done, I'm gonna add my mixer back in to the tray. Go nice and slow with this. That's good. Good. Alrighty. Our cake is done. Mine don't look as pretty as it did yesterday, but you bet. Right. Bam. Now we're gonna let these chill down before we do anything else. We need to get something to put our cake on. Okay. So got my thing, got this thing, got those things. We all here with the things. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my frosting, just a little bit, put it right there. Right there. It's gotta go right there. I don't know why. It just does. My cakes. Cake number uno mas. So then scoop and scoop and scoop. I let my cakes cool for a while. It was very hard. I wanted to go ahead and do it, but I said no, I need to wait. Now our next layer will go right on top.
I like that.
Just like that. Look at that, y'all. So, we're not quite done. We still got these chocolates pieces. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think this is the best looking cake I've ever made. Let's cut into this. That cake. This looks moist. Y'all, it's moist. It's delicious and it's just good. So on that note, y'all, I set out to learn how to make a cake. I did. And by all intents and purposes, I have succeeded. So y'all, thank you so much for all the comments, all the loves, all the likes, everything. Thanks for being here, part of my family. We love you. Make this good. Thank you, Mom.